Vlogmas Day 7! Again, this is a really late intro because we've had a very, very busy day. And yeah, let's see what we get up to. Enjoy! Good morning, everyone! DIY day! So Stephen is just dropping B. I'm just having a quick cup of tea and some chocolate spread toast. Oh, I really actually wanted to tell you guys this, just quickly. The very famous hazelnut chocolate spread that a lot of us know and love is very bad for our planet, and palm oil and everything is a massive problem with it. So I've been looking for an alternative for quite a while, and I found Panda Stella, which I really liked. It has like little biscuit bits in it, but it wasn't hazelnutty enough. It wasn't quite right. And then recently I found this. So it's Bon Maman hazelnut chocolate spread, and honestly it is better than that thing that I won't talk about, the brand I won't talk about. It's really, really, really yummy. So I'm gonna have a couple of slices of that. I know I'm such a kid to have chocolate spread on my toast, but pretty much would do that every day, but I allow myself it in December. Oh dear. Anyway, yes, so DIY, so we've got lots of roof building going on today. I'm really wrapped up warm. I'm feeling quite hot in the house actually. Woo, but outside it is. I think it's 2 degrees at the moment. So yeah, we need it. Yeah, hopefully, all being well today, we'll have a roof on the summer house. I've got all the roof felt to go as well. I've ordered that, so that's arrived and it's here. So that will go up. And then it just means I will clean and fill any gaps or anything of that. So yeah, hopefully it'll be finished today so that I can then do the other bits and move in and yeah, have the rest of December in my new sewing space. Exciting! Okay guys, I'll see you in a bit. Sorry, I had to just pop back on here. Oh my goodness gracious me. I'm not going to say her name because I don't know if she wants it to be public, but one of the most amazing things have just happened. Someone has just sent us an incredible gift. Oh, I'm a bit blown away. But yeah, I've just had a very, very generous amount added to my coffee to help us warm the house for the winter. Oh gosh, yeah, feeling very, very blessed, very emotional, and so very thankful. You know who you are. Thank you so much from all of us. It really, oh, it means so much. Thank you. like, I don't know, halfway through. I don't know, no, not quite. We're like a quarter of the way through building the roof, I think. Maybe a third, let's say a third. But I am getting so cold. My feet are icicles, and I came back in to, let's get a lighter, to get, oh, it's lovely and warm in here. I came back in to put on extra thick socks, and still my feet are icicles. My nose is so cold. Oh, I'm moany metal. But yeah, I got too cold and I was like, Stephen, we just need to stop for lunch. It's 1 o'clock. We can't keep pushing ourselves. But he's like, I can carry on. I'm not cold. So I've come in because I can't do it. I'm too cold. Look, my lips always go blue. That's my true sign of when I'm really cold. I get proper blue lips. But hey, we're really like cooking with gas. Stephen, bless him, is missing woodwork to finish this, so oh, I feel really bad about that. He's missed out on so much to help me with this, and like, that's the hero he is, though. He wouldn't do it any other way, but I do still feel really guilty and bad about it. Bless him, he's amazing. Yeah, anyway, right, lunch. Day one of the roof build, that is one roof piece. We are going to fill in this because it basically comes over a little bit further, if you get what I mean, the roof. So we're going to fill in these along that bit, but then that all goes like that. Is that helpful? Anyway, whew, that was a lot of work. We just got to do the other piece and put it up on the weekend. Here she is. What time is it, Bee? It's Advent time!
What day is it today, Boo? Should we count them?
Oh, I think she's gone straight for it.
So, hang on, we've done, let's see which ones we've done. One, we've done.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, there's doors open all over the place.
4, 5.
And that's the one we did yesterday. So today is... And is there anything in the 7 door? Can you get it out? What is that? It's a little Totoro mouse.
Oh,
it's a little green mouse. Oh, he's so cute. Come and show Daddy.
Well, the clue is it a little green mouse? Yes.
Can I see? Can you bring it over and show Daddy?
It's a good clue. Oh.
What? It's afternoon.
Yeah, it's kind
In
of
fact, it's early
evening.
evening now.
Yeah.
Afternoon morning.
Afternoon, morning.
Evening, night time.
Bee, let's see it. Come on, bring it over. Oh, super cute.
Oh, Bee, you know what you've got to do now, don't you? You've got to give it a name.
Yeah, what are you going to call it? That's a good name. Yeah?
I was trying to tell you.
Oh, okay, secret name.
It rattles.
Oh, it does, darling.
Have a look.
Where
Very
did you
cute.
so
get
wee.
this from?
Where did you get this from, Daddy?
Dad, where did you get this from?
It was from a shop called Perfect Pets. Where Barnaby was from.
Bee, do you want to say happy 7th
You
of
can have a
December?
real shot now.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you.
Very strokeable. Are you going to say
For
happy
my
7th
stroke.
of December? Give me a you. Let's say it together, shall we? You ready? And happy of December.
Happy of December.
What day is it? Happy 7th of December. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy 7th of December!
Bee, it's time to water your tree. You're going to come and help, my love? Okay, Davy, you help too. I don't know how the
making
pencil's going to help, but why don't you guys do that while I do a little bit of water, okay?
To stand the trees. Very still.
Hey guys, just quickly while I'm making some supper, we are having some meltdowns today. Since we got back from nursery, she's been very upset about certain things. One of them being a plastic mermaid toy that I think she was given like a year ago, that it just doesn't exist in this life anymore. I don't know where it is, but I haven't seen it for about a year, and she was absolutely distraught that she couldn't have it, even though she hasn't wanted it for a year. So I don't know how to play with that one. And then she was so hungry. I'm so hungry. Even after eating loads of stuff, like she had an apple, a satsuma, a rich tea biscuit, crackers, and she was just in like as if she'd never eaten before. So that was another fun one. Sorry, I'm just making pasta. Let me quickly put in the tuna and sweet corn. So yeah, Wednesday's always tough because it's me solo parenting, because Stephen's got lessons all the way up to 9 o'clock on Wednesday, so he's here for like a little bit of the afternoon, and actually one of his lessons was cancelled, which I'm always like, yes. But he teaches music, by the way, for people that don't know. So he teaches piano, guitar and singing, although I don't think he has any singing students, so mainly piano and guitar, and also music theory and production as well. So he teaches quite a lot of his kids like production, which is really lovely. But anyway, that is what he does, and on Wednesdays it's really full on because he works all the way up to 9 o'clock, and so it's always a tough one. Anyway, it feels very long. I'm very lonely to be a solo parent when you're not used to it, and I just don't know. I honestly my hats go off to anyone that does this as a solo parent, more than just one evening. I don't know how you do it. You're amazing. What am I doing? I can't function. I'm very tired after all that manual labour today, after all that DIY. Very tired. But poor Stephen must be even more exhausted, and he's got to teach. But anyway, yeah, so most evenings it is just B and I, but Stephen will probably join us at like 6:30 to 7, but Wednesdays a much later one. So I always do the same thing. I always do pasta and fish, nice and easy. I miss out bath time because I can't handle bath time by myself. And it's just a bit interesting when your kid is having a bit of a day. It makes it a lot harder and a bit more interesting. So I'll get her some supper, and hopefully that will sort everything out. Sorry, there's something weird in my bowl. That's weird. Don't know what that was. So anyway, we'll eat our supper, and that was all I kind of had to say to you, and I've stretched it out for 3 minutes. Okay, see you later. Bee's just going off on an adventure in her car now. It's no longer a rocket, it's now a car. Oh, I'm getting stuck on all the things that are in the way. This flight is crazy. Oh, well done. Good driving. Sounds like an alien spaceship up ahead.
There's alien spaceship in way.
Yep.
My wheel. I did it.
Okay, well done. Someone's been watching way too much Bluey.
Oh no.
Oh no, getting caught on the Hobbycraft box.
It's broke.
Oh. What do we do now?
I will take one of the parts out my car.
Okay.
And I will work inside.
Okay. Oh yeah, he'll help. He's a very good torch. It's run out of batteries. Have you recharged the batteries?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All working.
Well done.
Nice. Everyone got their seatbelts on?
Yes! It's good that it's a bit bendy.
Now the pencil's towers there.
Oh.
Press that up on my wheel. Everyone's strapped in. You're not even strapped in the car.
I am.
Okay. Let me move my seat out the way.
Reversing, 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 reversing.
Come back.
Okay, so it's my turn to open the advent calendar while B is going to sleep, I hope. I'm not sure, but I'll do it quickly. Right, so it is day 7. Yeah, it's day 7. Oh, suddenly the lights have gone all flashy on the Christmas tree. So let's see what's in here. Trying to be quiet. Ooh, I know what these are. That's good. Okay, so these are fabric clips. So you use them instead of pins. Anyone that sews will know this already, but I'll tell you anyway. I can't open the bag. Okay, got it. So yeah, look. Instead of using pins, when you're doing things like using really thick layers or using fabric that will show the pinholes, you use these instead. Little clips. They're really cool. So that's a very handy little gift for today. I hope everyone had a lovely day. I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I will see you tomorrow on day 8. Lots of love. Take care. Bye.